Hello, I hope everyone is doing well. In this lesson, we'll focus on the physical and cognitive development during adolescence. We'll explore some of the major development changes that happen during adolescence and how these changes will influence emotion, behavior, and decision making. First, let's discuss the concept of adolescence. Adolescence is a stage of development that occurs between childhood and adulthood. During this period, individuals experience rapid physical, emotional, and social and cognitive changes. In this video, we'll focus on the physical and cognitive changes. In the next video, we'll explore emotion and social changes. It is important to note that these development changes are a normal part of growth and help to shape our identity, relationship, and even health behavior. One of the most noticeable changes that I would like us to explore is puberty, which represents the process through which a body matures, physical becoming capable of reproduction. During puberty, the body releases hormones and trigger growth and development. These hormones act as a chemical message helping the body regulate functions and changes. During puberty, common physical changes include rapid growth, changes in the body shape, development in the body hair, changes in the voice, and changes in the skin. While these changes are a natural part of development, they can sometimes result in stress, embarrassment, or confusion for some. It is important to recognize that people develop or grow at a different rate. There is no typical timeline for these changes, and each person experiences them uniquely. Besides physical change, the adolescent brain also experiences significant development, and an important development area in the prefrontal cortex. It is important to the brain that helps the planning, decision-making, impulse control, and problem solving. Since the prefrontal cortex is immature in the adolescent, this means that some may act impulsive and make decisions without considering all the consequences. Another important part of the brain is the amygdala, which is the brain emotion axis. In the adolescent, the amygdala develops quicker than the prefrontal cortex. Thus, this is the possible adolescent to experience stronger emotion and heightened emotional response. The mismatch in development phrase explains why some teenagers often react emotionally to stressful situations or take risks without considering the consequence. As the brain develops during adolescence, the cognitive ability of the teenager also develops. Cognitive development refers to how the individual think, learn, reason, or even solve problems. During adolescence, individuals start to develop advanced thinking skills, enable them to analyze situations more deeply or even consider alternate. The development helps them to become more independent and help them make more informed choices. It is important to point out the physical and cognitive changes influence each other, can also impact on a person's behavior and emotion. Rapid physical development hormone changes, for example, can affect a person's self-esteem, confidence, and social relationship. These changes also lead to pressure on some adolescents try to fit in with their peers. Sometimes development cognitive ability can prompt adolescents to question existing rules, seek independence, and explore new experiences. And understanding these development changes are their influence in behavior, decision-making, is essential. Cortexual adolescents who understand how their physical and brain develop impacts their emotion and behavior are better positioned to make healthy choices. Therefore, when the adolescents understand how their development influences their emotional reaction, they can better manage their stress, communicate, and make decisions. As I conclude this lesson, I would like to pause on reflections, questions. Think about how understanding a physical and brain development helps you make healthier, better decisions. See you on the next video.